And then curiosity of like, oh, well, in that way, how does that functional character of your animal friend make you feel? What charges does it bring up for you? Where in yourself can you identify the confidence? Maybe where maybe you a bit possibly overconfident, a little bit brash, a little bit like, no, 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 I can get this done and me. Or where maybe we haven't got that confidence and we would like to bring it forward. So we can play around with how we can identify the functional character of our dogs to again coexist with them for what it is that we need so that we're in our fullness, and for what it is that they need so that we allow them to be in their fullness. To go, wow, I see you exactly as you are. I'm not trying to change you. Because again, that takes us back to ourselves of there's so many parts of ourselves where we were told, conditioned, taught this bit's good, like be this bit over here, but that bit over there, no, 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 you've got to change that for what, because of your work or because of your education or because of your family or because. And so again, this is kind of what we then try and do to our dogs, or we then trying to find them. It's because my dog's a defender. This is what it can do. Well, look at all the other things it can do as well. So it's kind of starting, well, not kind of starting, it's understanding them as an individual, and within that individuality, what their functional purpose is within the family system. So we can then look at the dynamics and how those dynamics change.